Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to properly lift up your car in case you need to do repairs. Behind me is my brother's 2014 Civic SI, and this is what we'll be working on today. And yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so we're back in the garage. The things we'll be needing today would be a couple of our jack stands to hold up the car in the air. Of course, our main floor jack. This is a 3-ton heavy-duty one. It's a bit overkill for this car, but this is the only one I have at the moment. Light source in case you'll be working in the dark, and owner's manual in case you don't know where to look for your jacking points of your vehicle. Okay. So, grabbing our owner's manual here on page 414, how to set up your jack, shows right here, place the jack under the jacking point closest to the tire, needs to be changed in case you're doing your tires. As you can see, it's right behind the tire and in front of the rear tire, so let's look for that. Okay guys, so we are over at the rear driver's side of the vehicle, and according to our owner's manual, it's right in front of the rear tire, which is right here. And if you check underneath here, it would be sticking out a little bit like so. So this would be your jacking point at the rear. And let's go to the front and quickly over here to the front. As you can see, it would be right here over this little guy over here. Like the one in the rear, it's sticking out, so it's easy to be seen, and this would be your jacking point for the front of your vehicle. Okay guys, so now that both jack stands are in place on driver and the passenger side, you can now safely crawl underneath and do your own repairs. Again, I'm just showing the basic procedure. I mean, if you need to raise it up, then of course you gotta lift it higher and put the jack stands on a little higher side. That way you can further crawl in, but this is the basic idea. If you find this helpful, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.